Now that we have the doors drawn in, we need to put in our windows. Make sure that we are on the Windows layer. Type in the word insert, press enter. And we're going to insert our window imperial block. Click OK. And insert it right there. I'll use the rotate command, press return, select the block, click on the midpoint, and then just type in 90 degrees. Now I want this to be centered, so I'm going to use the move command, select my window, pick it from the endpoint or midpoint right here, and type in MID. Make sure I go to the midpoint of this white line right there. And there it is. And it's great because it happens to be the exact right size. So I'm going to copy this, start the copy command, select the window, press enter, pick the midpoint here of the white line, and we're going to insert it here, and we're going to insert it here. Press return to finish. And that's great because our window is perfectly the right size, no adjustments needed there. So the windows are nice and quick and easy. And our drawing is really starting to take shape. So the next thing that we need to do is to draw our chair. So let's change our layer again, put on the chair layer. Insert, enter. Now let's pick our chair. OK. And then just drop it in anywhere right there. We want the chair to be facing to the right, not to the left. So we'll need to rotate this. Use the rotate command, press enter, select the chair, press enter again. For our base point, we want to use the insertion point of the chair. So type in INS for the insertion O-snap. Press return, select the chair, and then type in 180 for 180 degrees. Flips it all the way around. And now we need to put in some rows and columns of chairs. So for that, we're going to use the array command. In fact, we're going to use the rectangular array. Start the rectangular array command, select the chair, press enter, and well, we need a few more of these. So click on that arrow. That looks good. Click here, stretch it out. That's the way I like it. Press enter, and there are our chairs. Nice and easy, very easy indeed.